What is up everyone, Jordan here. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing a hairstyle video. Yes, I know it has been a long time. As you may notice, a while ago I got my hair cut. If you want to see some of that, I'll have a link for you guys up here so you can check that out. But today, since I have been growing it out, it's in this kind of weird, awkward stage where I haven't got a haircut in a while. Right now I've got bed head, but I figured I would show you guys how I'm styling my hair now that it is a little bit longer on the top, a little bit longer on the sides, and just how I'm kind of managing it. So like with all these little short hairstyle styling videos, it's gonna be pretty quick because there's not much to do, but let's just jump into it right now. All right, so in general, my hair is at the length now where I can do a decent amount with it. I can kind of make it go to the side, I can go up, I can make it look messy and tousled. I would say the length on top is probably around 3.5 inches. It's textured, and I would say on the sides, usually I go from like a 1 just faded in to the top hair, but I would say now at the longest point it is, you know, about an inch and a half. So take that for what it's worth. In general, what I like to do is just make it look messy, tousled, and that's about it. Kind of lived in, then I can just run right out the door. Now you can use whatever product that you like to make a messy textured look. You can use Chapter styling cream. It's very good. I am using Baxter's clay pomade right now just because it's pretty much what I have right now. I really work it into the roots because with short hair like this, it makes the hair very stiff. It stands it straight up, and you can do a lot with like the texture and kind of manipulate it. So you work it with like a scrunching motion right into the roots. Bring down the sides. Mess with the front a little bit. And honestly, I'm pretty much done. I mean, that's really all I do. I kind of mess with that throughout the day. Since it's so short, you can mess with it and do whatever you want. But other than that, I just keep it short, keep it tousled, and I walk out the door. It's pretty much all I do. As you can see, it took little time at all. I think it maybe took a minute for me to do this. And that is pretty much my hairstyle. You can mess with it however you like. You can use more, you can use a hairspray, you can make it stand up. And that's pretty much what I do with my hairstyle now, you guys. I might be buzz cutting it again, I might be growing it out. Who really knows? It's just kind of how I feel. I like the hair short, but that's pretty much what I do. Hope this helped you guys in any sort of way. With short hair, you really don't have to do a lot. I promise you, when it's short, you can do a lot of things with it when you style it. And all you need is a hair product and a little bit of effort. You're good to go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later.